Hello my friends, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun new products to share with you today. 2 alphabets, one with a twist, and a new little peep that I'm excited about as well. So we're going to jump right in. The first one is an alphabet set that you saw me use as a sneak peek, which it's really fun. Actually, I used it on this one. I'm gonna grab it right now. This is the cute little place card that we're gonna be making for Halloween. And I used the name, I stamped Liam's name, and then I colored in some of the solid spots. So that's it. Well, now it's available. But my friends, not only are you getting the stamps in the same bundle, dun, 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 dun. Remember, when I say the word bundle, that means better pricing. Dun, 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 dun. You are also getting the dies that match. Fantastic. You're gonna fall in love with these. I am so excited about these. You're getting the alphabet and the die and the numbers. The number dies are in here as well. And you're getting a couple extra letters. You know, I like to add a couple extra letters because my daughter Kirsten has 2 I's, Barnard has 2 A's. I'm always out of vowels. So I've added a couple extras. So there's an extra A, an extra E, a couple extra I's, an extra L, because I have to say Miller's name and he has 2 L's. So 2 L's, 2 O's, 2 P's, so you can say happy, 2 S's, 2 T's, 2 R's, and then a whole bunch of numbers and some parentheses and a whole bunch of other things. And don't worry, my friends, there are dies that match in the same bundle to save money. Yay! Now, a lot of you in the back in the day, now this is a totally different font than this one, I just want you to see the difference, have this set. This is called Stripy 1 and Stripy 2 because you could stamp this one, the outline, and then stamp the stripes in a different color on this one. And so many people said, please, please, we need dies for this. We need dies for this. Well, you guys, guess what? There are dies now, but these dies can be used on their own as well because there's also shadow dies to go with it. So you have the regular shape, meaning you have this shape and you have the shadow die. So if you just want to stamp and die cut, you're going to use the shadow die. If you want to just use the dies, you're going to use the dies. So awesome, so many options. And don't worry, I have lots of samples. Moving on, it's little peep time. I know you guys are all eagerly waiting another little peep. Well, here's our next one, and she is adorable. I'm telling you, it is little Peep Pig, and she's so cute. Don't go bacon my heart. Oh my goodness, that's horrible, but it's awesome. Let's pig out. That's a pig deal. I don't sweat, I sparkle. Look how cute. She has a cute little bathing suit with some little hearts with a dress that you can decorate the dress with all the little hearts. Yes, of course, there are dies that match. In the samples, you're just gonna fall over. Are you ready? Boom. Let's start with the first alphabet. I originally designed these to go with the creative decks, but you know what, my friends, you're gonna use them everywhere. Here's a cute little card. It's okay not to be okay. Look at that. But don't stay there. Isn't that adorable? Here's a cute one. Honey recipes for your cute little creative decks. On the other side can be the recipe right there, boom. Here's a cute little creative decks, October 31st. Isn't that adorable? Oh, here's another Halloween one, Boo. Those letters, you guys are gonna use those letters like crazy. Stamps and dies, so you get to pick October 31st. Here's a cute one, that one is using the other alphabet. You don't need to see that one, sorry. Oh, look at this one. Isn't this adorable? I absolutely love this one. Katie from the Kitchen of Katie, using our creative decks and our Secret Weapon creative decks die down here at the bottom. Look at that. You can add your recipe and information there. Here's another cute one, December 25th creative decks. Now, just a heads up, my friends, look, you can color those letters as well. I colored them on my turkey. You can leave them blank or you can color them. So many different options on that. Now, the other alphabet, and I want you to see, let's use this one. I want you to see how different they are. Fiesta and Katie. So this one is uppercase, this one's lowercase. Do they match? No, they're totally different. Okay, they are totally different, but a lot of you already have these stamps. So make sure you check before you buy the stamps. You might already have the stamps. Look at this one. This one is awesome. I love it. So simple. Sometimes you just want a little simple card. And look at the outside. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Totally awesome. Love it. Actually, that one's probably inside out, but oh well, so cute. Either way, it's cute, right? Now, just a heads up on these two. I made these so you're gonna die cut the whole enchilada each time, because can you imagine trying to die cut one letter and then running it through your machine, and then die cutting another letter, running it through your machine, die cutting another letter, running that? You would go crazy. So you're gonna die cut the whole thing. I highly recommend you using adhesive on the back and then die cutting the whole thing, and just keep them in the envelope, or you can keep them separately so you have all of the letters. Sometimes you might not even die cut, you already have them done, right? So that's kind of handy. Here's a cute one using the shadows. Love you pig time with our cute little Peep Pig. Here's a cute one, thank you. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love that. Open it up. You are the best. Isn't that gorgeous? You're gonna use this one a lot more than you expect. Here's another one using the shadow dies, Santa. So you can use it with the shadow dies or without the shadow dies. It's up to you. And then here's a cute one. Here's one with it stamped using those stripes. Good morning with our cute little giraffe Peep. You gotta love her, huh? Isn't she adorable? Now here's a fun one. Happy fall, y'all. Isn't that adorable? You're gonna love this one especially because it's very, very clean, the dies. The dies are very clean. Okay, here's our little cute piggy girl. I absolutely love her. Cheryl added a whole bunch of 3D ink on here. I don't sweat, I sparkle. Here's a cute one with my, oh, I love that background. Look at how cute that is. That's our envelope background. That's a pig deal. And look at the difference of the pigs. You can make her light pink, you can make her dark pink. I think most of the girls did the light pink or the dark pink, but so cute. Here's another one in that little pocket. You guys, put the little peeps in the pockets. Aren't they adorable? Look how cute she is in there. Or here is one of our tri-background dies, the Cloud and Sun tri-background die. Here is our reverse frame. Look how cute that is. Don't go bacon my heart. I love it. That's a pig deal. And last but not least for our cute little creative decks, look at our cute little girl in there. Ham it up. Absolutely love it. Club members, you know the deal. I'm preaching to the choir. You're getting 15 to 20% off every single product I just showed and every single product on our website. Now, if you're not in the club is only $13.99 a month. And that includes a brand new stamp set each month sent to you automatically. And then you get all the awesome benefits. But what if you're not a stamper? Guess what, my friends? We just released November 1st, 2022, our Fold It Club. Ah, what's a Fold It? It's a shaped card. And you get 2 stencils in the kit. So go check that out as well. You're gonna have so much fun at the Stamps of Life, and you know what? I'm gonna see you there. Bye-bye.